LifeMDcom reviews pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're looking for telehealth services, LifeMDcom promises convenient access, but most people get this wrong by focusing solely on cost without understanding subscription models. LifeMD offers online consultations for sexual health, wellness, skincare, and other conditions. Pricing ranges from for one-time consultations to per month for ongoing prescriptions and follow-ups. Medications are billed separately, depending on dosage and insurance coverage. Telehealth appointments are conducted via secure video calls. What you get: easy access to licensed healthcare providers, convenient prescriptions, and privacy. What you give up or need to check: monthly subscription costs can add up, and medications may be extra. Insurance may or may not cover telehealth visits. Here's how to evaluate. Step 1. Determine if you need ongoing care or just a single consultation. Step 2. Compare LifeMD pricing with local clinics or insurance coverage. Step 3. Factor in medication costs and delivery fees. Step 4. Review cancellation and subscription policies to avoid unexpected charges. You won't believe what happens next. If you ignore the fine print, monthly charges can accumulate, or you might pay for services you don't use. The surprising truth is that telehealth convenience comes with real financial considerations. In conclusion, LifeMDcom offers real convenience and professional care, but plan your usage carefully. Knowing what you're paying for ensures the service is worth your money and your health needs are met efficiently.